Hello, welcome to the channel. On today's tutorial, I'll take you through on how to make this braid on a 4-year-old. So let's begin. So this is the hair. As you can see, the upper part of the hair is tangled, and I'm going to detangle it by gently combing through the hair. I detangle to make my work easier as I braid through. After I'm done, I'm going to hold it up using this rubber band. This is the rubber band. I'll hold it up. I'll use this soft dreadlocks. It's number 2, 27. Number 2 stroke 27. As you can see, I'd already removed my hair from the packet. It's a soft dreadlock. And let's begin. Now there's a trick on how to transform the soft dreadlock into a braid, which I'm going to show you in a bit. And I got a different color. This one I had already cut them. Now this is my first piece of hair. I'm going to fold it into 3 parts. This way, fold it into 3 parts, and then I'll take a pair of scissors and I'll cut through the ends. I'll cut this one. And I'll cut the other end. Now I have 3 pieces of hair. I'm transforming this dreadlock into a braid, which I'm showing you in. Then I'll take one piece of the hair which I've cut and I'll separate it into 3 parts. As you can see, that's my first part. My second part and my third part. Then I'll pick this hair, one of the hair which I've separated, and I'm going to separate it again into 2. This is my first hair, the first piece of hair which I'm going to braid. I'll separate it into two and I'll tie it onto the other. Like this. This is how it has turned out to be. And let's start braiding. At this point, I was testing the waters. You can see. Let me pick my comb and then we start the work. I'll start by sectioning this hair. By the way, credits to my niece. She's my niece. She's so calm. She gave me an easy task to do. So this is the first piece of hair. And we start braiding. I'll braid till I get to where her natural hair ends. Then I'm going to hold two strands of hair using my thumb, and I'll use the other strand of hair to wrap it through my thumb, and I'm going to seal it. To seal the end, as you can see. I'll braid another one. I'll separate another piece of hair into two and I'll tie it onto each other. At this point my niece was curious. She was telling me to braid her like a princess, which I'm going to do it. Braiding is so easy, guys. Anybody can do it. And again, I'll braid until I get to where her natural hair ends. And I'm going to tie it. I tie to avoid the hair to unravel. So I'll pick 2 strands of hair. I'll hold it using my thumb and then I'll pick another strand. Now this is much later. After a while, I've done some parts of the hair. At this point, my niece was sleepy. I was doing this hair at night. It's around 9 p.m. at night. I was doing this hair. I was braiding her hair. You know, at this point, the school is closed, so the children are not sleeping early. They sleep till 11 at night, you know. I'll braid another one. The ends had tangled a bit. Detangle, then continue braiding. This is how it has turned out to be. Again, much later, you can see I had already done the front part of the hair. But then this is this is another day. We got tired last night, and then we shall continue doing braiding. I used a different color on the front part. At this point we were both fresh. As I told you, it's the next morning, the next day morning. Then we continue braiding. Credits to my niece again. She was so calm. She gave me an easy task to do by being calm. I'll meet you at the end. Now I'm left with braiding only this part. Sorry about the noise, it's just a bird. I don't know whether you can hear it. Again, I'll braid till where her natural hair ends. Now I'm done. I'm going to cut the unwanted parts, the ends. At this point, my niece she was so happy. Now this is how it has turned out to be. The back part. Please guys, if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share.